A very warm good morning, my dear children. Today we will going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 4, Fun with Paint. Yes, children. Okay. So here is the two picture. You will going to color it in your book. Color the image. Okay. Same as the other one. And let's start the chapter. In the previous chapter you have learned about various tools and shapes that let you draw and color pictures in paint. Let us now learn some more commands and have fun working in paint. So children, in previous chapter, that is chapter 3, more on paints, I've already showed you all different type of tools and different type of shapes, remember? Okay, and we have also discussed about the magnifier tool, color 1, color 2, how you can bring the shape from the shape group, how you can fill color, how you can use the shape for your drawing. All this we have already discussed in our previous chapter. Let us now learn some more command and have fun working in paint. Now in this chapter we will going to learn some more new things, like how you can rotate your drawing, how you can flip your drawing, how you can select the particular part of your drawing. All this we will going to discuss. Okay, so first topic is selecting images. You can select an image or a part of it and then make changes to the selected portion. So children, when you are drawing something, आप जब कुछ ड्रॉ कर रहे हो ड्राइंग एरिया में, कोई भी पार्ट आप अपने ड्राइंग का कोई भी पर्टिकुलर पार्ट अगर आपसे गलती हो जाती है और यू वांटेड टू ब्रिंग सम चेंजेस इन इट, आप आराम से कर सकते हो. कैसे कर सकते हो? लेट्स सी इट. स्टेप 1, क्लिक ऑन होम टैब इन द रिबन. स्टेप 2, click down arrow under the select command in the image group. Step 3, choose any one selection shape. Rectangular selection, to select an area in a rectangular or square shape. Freeform selection, to select an area in any shape. Step 4, click and drag the mouse over the area you want to select. So children, these are the 4 steps how you can bring changes if you wanted to do in your drawing. So here in the picture also in your book it has been shown. First of all, you all will go in the home tab. Okay children, then as soon as you will click on the home tab, you will going to see this part, and here there is select tool. Okay, then you will going to click on it. As soon as you will going to click on it, this menu bar will open up. Okay, and in this menu bar you can see at the first only there is return, rectangular selection and freeform selection, and there are many other options also. So this rectangular selection and freeform selection is very important to understand. This is the main thing from all the steps. Okay, now what is rectangular selection? Now from the name only the picture has been given, you can see rectangular selection will look like this. Either you can select the part which you wanted to bring changes. It will when you will going to click on the rectangular selection, it will come in a rectangular form. Okay, I will show you all in the practical part also. And in the free form selection, it doesn't have any shape. Okay, the part where you wanted to bring the changes, you will going to click on it, and with the help of the mouse you will going to point out which part you wanted to do the changes, and with the help of the mouse you will going to drag and you will going to do. So it doesn't have any shape. Okay children, so this is the difference, and with this with the help of this selection you can bring changes in your drawing. Okay, it has been shown in your book also children. See over here we have went to home tab, then from the select we have selected the rectangular selection, and see as soon as you have clicked the rectangular selection, a rectangular box will come up, and from there you can do the changes. And free form selection, with the help of the mouse it has been done, and it doesn't have the shape. We wanted to bring some changes in it, in the like the flower part. So you have just with the help of the mouse you have done, and it got selected. Okay, so rectangular selection will always come in a rectangular form, and free form selection doesn't have any shape. With the help of the mouse, how you will going to drag, it will cover in that way only. Okay, so in this video I will going to show you all rectangular selection, free form selection, and obviously copy and paste and cut and paste. You all already know, I have explained you all. Copy means to duplicate from original location. You will going to copy and you will going to get in the new location also. But in paste, when you are doing it, you will going to get in the new location, not in the old location. You are moving your drawing, right? I have shown you all in the previous video also. The new thing which you will going to understand is the rectangular selection, freeform selection, and also with this selection I will also show you all transparent selection. Yes children, transparent selection is here. Under when you will click the select, and when you will going to see the selection shape, at the last you will going to get the transparent selection also. Okay, over here. So this transparent selection also work magically children, because if you wanted to bring some images on the top of your drawing, so when you will going to select, it will come with the drawing area. देखो यहाँ पे अगर आप कोई भी अपने ड्राइंग के ऊपर कुछ और लगाना चाहते हैं, कुछ और पेस्ट करना चाहते हैं, you can do it, but it will not come up nicely. हाँ, but when you are using the transparent selection and then you are pasting it something on the top of your drawing, then it will come like this without the drawing area. Only the butterfly is pasting on the top of your drawing, right? So this is the difference. Without transparent selection, if you will going to paste, it will look like this, but with the help of the transparent selection, if you are doing it, it will come with this, like this, with transparent selection. So this is the difference, and it is very interesting to do. So I will going to show you all in my video. Please watch it carefully. Okay, thank you, bye bye.